Hi, so this video will be all about organizing files on our Google Drive. Okay, so there's a lot of reasons why we need to have this video. All right, so because different people we have different ways of actually organizing our files. So sometimes the way we do it, we could do it out of our own convenience. But the thing is, when we are working as a team, of course, we need certain to all agree on one particular style, so that it's easier for each of us to find the files in future. This is also important, whereby uh, things will not be very messy. We have to figure out your particular system when we just want to find a particular file. Okay, so okay, now every single person will be allocated a folder. Okay, so just take for instance, um, all right, um, okay, let's say you are doing marketing, you'll be getting this folder. If you are doing design, you'll be getting this folder. If you are doing maths, you'll be getting this folder, etc. Okay, so okay, so now at each of the folder. Okay, now let me explain a little bit more of the folder. Okay, for example, all access is for everyone, and then okay, resource is also everyone should be able to get. Okay, we have another how to on which are the resource folder. So resource folder, like math resource, English test paper, and this is where we have the alternate resource drive. So basically, um, we have actually what do you call unlimited drive. Okay, but we try not to use it because the files can be quite deleted anytime. So we have an alternate resource drive, okay, where we get some of the very big stuff, like for example huge videos, huge training videos, that is too big. Okay, we only have about 100, so those videos could take up like 20-30 gig. Of course we will put it at that particular free drive. Okay, alright, so now if you have the chance to use this folder Z for others, these are shared folders with other people. Alright, in future we might be using team drive, but let's see how. Okay, okay, now at each inside each of the folder, okay, we will have a current project folder, completed project folder, learning folder, um, um, passing of files, okay, and then if really needed, there will be um, if there is something like there are some things that we have to access often, okay, that is key. So we can actually create another folder. Okay, so like for example, design. Okay, so we will have okay, so we just put the A. Okay, so that all the A's will be right on above. A space current. Okay, A space it is current completed. Okay, so etc. Okay, for murder mystery, for example, okay, so of course we will have a current, okay, a completed, okay, and we have so case study will be in a learning. All right, but for the rest, okay, but for the rest, okay, Death Wave White, Castle Lumia, now these are our games. So of course we can put it at this second level folder. Okay, the first level is your drive. Okay, second level is a murder mystery. So we can actually put these two at second level. So this is what I'm trying to say. We don't have to put it into completed folder, but we can just put it here because these are our game. These three are our games. Okay, okay, maybe we can have a resource folder inside. Okay, for resources. Okay, so something like that. Okay, a passing of file. Okay, so now this is the naming. Okay, now always put the dates, the year. Okay, I think we can just put 1/8 April, 1/6 June. Okay, and the type of project it is in. Okay, uh, okay. If you have insufficient space, okay, add it to um add it to altern drive and put a link, put a shortcut. Okay, now let's say if let's say if it's very very big and we still insist of putting it here, what we can do is remember at the alternate drive resources, alternate drive. Okay, just put I'm not so sure how to do it. Okay, oh no, I don't think we can do it. Okay, doesn't matter. We'll find out how if we are really running out of space. Okay, we can put it here. Okay, we can put everything here, and maybe we can just put a text note, text file. Okay, maybe we can just put right click. Um, okay, maybe just put a folder. Okay, then we can say C alternate drive. Okay, then we put for banner C alternate drive or something like that. Okay. Okay, now this is very very important. Okay, so some of the things we have to edit here and there. So if you are designing Photoshop file, please put the Photoshop file inside the folder as well. If you are doing raw edit video files, okay, please make sure that you put it video files. Please make sure you put it there. Okay. Um, Okay, now let's say you have, let's say you are doing design. Okay, so you made 5 different pictures. Okay, now of course we are going to select only one of the 5 pictures. But what about the other 4? Don't throw it away. It will be such a waste. It's your masterpiece. So put the other 4 into this particular folder as well. Okay, we have to save the 4 as well as the Photoshop file. Okay, so this is very very important. Okay, now as much as we can, okay, we just put the folder inside. Let's say you design image. Okay, put the image over here, and let's say you have the PSD, the Photoshop file, put it inside here as well. Don't have to create a folder. All right. Okay, at the completed, okay, don't have to put a folder. But if there are 3, 4, or 5 more files, then we create a folder and put everything in. Okay, now let's say I have asked your help to design a poster. Okay, and you only did one poster and is automatically approved, then of course just put the poster over here, because the thing is we don't want to have so many folders. You can see that it's going to be very very messy. um yeah. Okay, okay, I think 4 or more files. All right, because I really hate to have so many folders. Just imagine, okay, if you can see most of the images over here, isn't it going to be so wonderful? So instead of clicking, have to click one box and one box to see which are the more suitable images. Okay, so right, here we have here resource folder. Okay, unlimited G drive. Okay, so if you want to, you can follow the naming from these parts, but I think Google has actually changed. You can actually have no. If you're going to use Google Docs, okay, or Google Spreadsheet, okay, they will save all the version for you. This is how powerful Google is these days. All right, so thanks a lot.